Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add photo reviews in WooCommerce. This feature is fantastic for building trust with potential customers, as visual testimonials tend to be far more convincing than text alone. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you can access all the necessary settings and plugins. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options related to managing your site's functionality. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new features for your WooCommerce store. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Customer Reviews. From the search results that appear, look for a plugin called Customer Reviews for WooCommerce. Once you spot it, click on More Details to view an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you make the most of it later. When you're ready, click on Install now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as WordPress processes everything in the background. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a new button appear. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After you click Activate, your page will refresh automatically. This indicates that the plugin is now active and ready to be configured. Now click on the WooCommerce option in your left navigation menu. An expanded set of options will appear, giving you access to various WooCommerce settings. From this expanded menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll fine-tune how your store operates and enable specific features like photo reviews. On the Settings page, you'll notice several sections displayed across the top part of your screen. Click on Products to access product-related configurations. Under the Products section, scroll down until you find the Review settings. Here, make sure to enable both reviews and product ratings. This step is crucial because it activates the foundation that allows customers to leave reviews and upload photos alongside their feedback. Without enabling these options, the photo review feature won't function properly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up photo reviews in WooCommerce, giving your customers the ability to share visual feedback that can significantly boost your store's credibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.